be switching out these tires here for the Michelins. Got my appointment in about 20 minutes. 255s here and 275s. Look at that. They're cooked.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm getting cooked.
I bought tires here at Discount Tire. They're pretty cool because match the online price. It's gonna be the first time on the road. Oh man. Yeah, these tires are a beast, dude. The setup that I went with was 255 3519, and in the rear they're 275 3519. So I just been using that setup. I did get them on Tire Rack online, so if you guys have a local Discount Tires, they do price match, and they also give some extra discounts if you're a first-time buyer, which I was. They ended up knocking down 80-90 bucks off the total price than which I thought it would be, so that was pretty good.
Nice.
All the reviews that I've been seeing online, pretty much spot on. Yeah, so these tires are a beast. I think for the price, it is a little bit intimidating, but if you're driving your car with these tires on, you know why it's priced so high. Anytime if I just want to give it a push, it'll hook and book. One thing I can say is that I do feel confident. I've driven the Pirelli tires, I've driven the Nitto tires. Here's the first time driving the Michelins, and I can just feel it immediately. Some people hate on it for the pricing, and you know, oh, you can get this tire for a cheaper price, or you can get this tire, it's pretty much the same. But I still overall wanted to at least try Michelin tires for one time at least, and I could say that I'm gonna probably buy them again. They're probably gonna be my go-to tires. I feel a huge difference in them, and I don't feel like I'm gonna hit a crowd. I don't feel like I'm gonna spin out. They feel comfortable also as well. I do end up doing some long drives here and there. It'll be a nice drive. Sounds quiet, doesn't really make any noise. The turning as well is good. So let me know what you guys think overall. Would you guys buy them? Have you guys bought them? What's your guys' experience? Let me know. Thanks for watching. Later.